Hi, my name is Sherilyn. In this video, I will show you how to video record while music is playing in the background on your Android device. This video is especially for those of you who want to create singing covers. First, please make sure that you have this equipment, your Android device, your earphones, and your device stand if necessary. There are also apps that you will have to download on your Android device. They are the Music Player app by InShot and the Open Camera app. To find out more about the apps that you need for music editing purposes, check out my video where I show you the apps. Some default apps like your photo gallery and files are also necessary in this tutorial. So now, let's start learning. The first step is to prepare your device on the stand and its position, and make sure to plug in your earphones as well. And now I will go to my phone's file manager and look for the music file that I have downloaded. And here under music, I will open the file in the MP3 player by InShot. If you want to know more how you can download music files onto your Android device, check out my video on how to download MP3 files. As the music is playing, you can adjust the volume. And the next thing that you have to do is to make sure that the music is played repeatedly or on loop. And here in the left bottom corner is where the number 1 will be indicated. And that means the music will be played repeatedly. And now I will adjust the music towards the last minute. This will help me prepare before I turn on the video recording. Now let's exit the MP3 app and open the Open Camera. Before I continue this tutorial, I hope you have enjoyed this so far. If you did, please like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Connect with me as I want to know you more on my social media platforms. So now let's get back to the tutorial. And make sure that the camera is facing me. And now I adjust myself just before the music starts and press the record. Now all I do is wait for the music to start again. And sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. So once you are done singing, make sure you press the stop button. And then exit the Open Camera app and go back to the MP3 player and pause the music. Now you can go to your phone's gallery to check if the video was saved correctly. And here is my phone's gallery, and I will go into the video files and tap on the latest video. So once the video is checked, you can proceed to edit the video in a video editor. To know more how you can edit videos on your Android device, check out my next video where I use the CapCut app. If you use iOS devices, check out my video on how I use my iPad to record a singing cover. So that is all for this video. See you soon in my next tutorial.